to move these plants into their brand new home. And the landscape project wouldn't be complete without help from my 2-year-old son, Gabe.
We're taking a lot of time to really make sure that this hole is deep enough and it's nicely rounded.
Yep.
And preparing the hole is, you know, the biggest key, right, to getting a plant to survive.
That's correct. Now what I've done is I've dug the hole, and now what I want to do is kind of make sure that the plant is going to fit in the hole. So what I'm going to do is just set the plant in the hole to make sure it fits.
And we don't want it to be down too deep because you want it to be right about the top of the container. Or about the soil line inside.
The soil line inside, that's right. We've got the hole deep enough. We've loosened it up so underneath the pot it's a loose soil. And I've got around 3 inches around the sides of the hole as well.
Right.
Yep. Now what I'll do is pop it out of the
Now do we need to,
container.
Do we need to put water or anything in the bottom or anything?
No, not at this point. What I'll do is I'll set the plant in the hole. And
we don't need to worry about all these roots and stuff that are down here.
No, those are roots from the shade trees in the area, as well as from the old shrubbery that we've removed.
Now what?
Yeah, what we're going to do is set the plant in the hole, just confirm our depths a tad on the deep side. I'm going to
Thanks, earthworms. Have a good time down there.
put a tad more in. Something like that. Level it off. Give it another try. Yeah, we're all set here. We're level to the ground.
This is pretty good soil for here?
Yes, this is a good sandy base soil, which this type of shrub really likes. Its native soil it grow in is a sand based soil. Now if this was a clay site, I'd actually probably build the plant up from the soil line so it's actually raised somewhat.
Yeah.
And the reason being is if it's a clay soil, the water of course isn't going to drain out, and by raising it above grade, then it's going to be able to breathe and get moisture and so forth, or dry out.
Because that clay can really be a problem.
That's correct. Yeah. It would almost put it on a little earth berm, I guess I'd say, basically.
The Harrimans are very happy with their new garden. Not only are they happy with all of their new plantings, but happy of their new traditions to come as well. Now you get out there, and like we always say, get growing!